mentioned it a little bit here, but surveillance pays for a variety of reasons. And here's the key overarching thing. A company, a law firm, an individual believes they're going to get more value from hiring you than it actually costs them. And in a lot of cases, they can back this up with numbers. A workers' compensation fraud, if they're paying 1,800 or $3,000 a month to somebody who's cheating them, who is fully capable of working, they've offered them light duty, they won't come back. If they're being, scammed out of $3,000 a month, it's very much worth it to them to put $2,000 worth of surveillance hours towards watching this person and trying to determine if collect evidence, is this person faking their injury or not. A one-time $2,000 investment by that company will save them $3,000 a month for possibly years. See, there's that, they get that great value out of it. Child custody is the same way. They might not be able to place a dollar amount on it, although sometimes they can. If a non-custodial parent is paying $1,200 a month in child support to a parent who has custody but has nothing to do with the children. They live at grandma's, they stay at grandma's. The mom, for example, the custodial parent being the mom, never goes and visits, doesn't see them, doesn't take care of them. The non-custodial parent, the father, who might want to take custody of those kids, he's going to know, okay, I pay $1,200 a month in child support, but if I can get custody of my children, that's a win. Plus, I don't have to pay the $1,200 a month. So there is benefit and value to doing surveillance. And as an investigator, if you don't already do surveillance, if you're interested in starting surveillance, recognize that while it seems like our surveillance prices are quite high, and if you own your own agency, you might be making $85 or more per hour with an hourly minimum, 3-hour minimum, for example. It may seem like that's a lot of money for someone to put into a case, but when push comes to shove, by the way, there's a bottle that guy is carrying. It may seem like a lot of money to put towards a case, but the reality is the client has a lot more to gain than what they're paying you. It's a great business model, really, and anything we do as investigators, process servers, whatever world you're functioning in, and sometimes that blends over a little bit. Private investigators will do process serving on the side. It's a profitable thing, but understand that charge what you're worth, because clients are getting value out of what you do for them.